what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm only doing really a point of view drive. I was planning on doing a race with another car, but that guy, you know, he didn't want to race today. So we're going to be just driving on a point of view. Let's see if we can find, you know, someone who would like to race a quick run. He really thought.
That bitch is fast.
Thanks. Yours? It's stock.
Is it?
Yeah.
Got a minute?
For what? All right.
Stop by? It's right here.
Yeah. Sure. It's dirty.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Just full exhaust, catless.
Yeah, I can hear it when you went by me, bro. It's screaming.
Yeah.
Mine's louder. Screaming. Besides the exhaust, what have you done to it?
Those guys were awesome. We just had a quick run. It was fun. As you guys saw, I went in and talked to them a little bit about the car, and they were really cool guys.